So at the end of this video, you have no issue creating something of this nature, this type of half shoe. All right, so we'll be creating the floor using the sole. Now we trace the sole. When you have the sole, you have to create the floor where your foot will be resting. So you trace the sole on the paper the way I did it just now. Please subscribe to this channel, please, and give me a like on this video. I beg you. Right, just click on the like button to give me a like. Then you can ask your questions. Now when you trace, then you now cut using your sharp scissors. Okay. All right, so once you do that, you now take the welt allowance from the sole using your pen and your index finger. All right, take it, then subtract it from the main sole pattern. Now you're doing this so that you can get the exact shape of the floor. All right, so that there will not be allowances or maybe a bad finishing. All right, so that is why we are using the sole to get our floor pattern. Right, so you can see I'm subtracting the welt allowance carefully using my scissors. Now you have to check. Now if you cannot use just your pen, your index finger, just measure it. This is 0.2 centimeter. That is the welt allowance that I subtracted from the sole. Now you trace on the fiber. Now this white stuff you're seeing me tracing on is what we call the fiber in shoemaking. All right, so you trace left and right. Please make sure you don't forget to trace it left and right. Once you trace, then you flip your paper to get your left and right. Now you cut using a scissors. Make sure your hand is straight enough. Make sure your hand is straight enough. You cut carefully and gently. Please don't cut outside the line or inside the line. It's important. Don't forget to give me a like. Don't forget to give me a like. This is ABC Shoes. I'm dedicated to teaching everybody that come across my channel how to make shoes. That is why I take my time to, explain these things to you guys. This is not just any other video you see on the internet. I'm touching everything. So, all right. So we are going to place the floor, the fiber on our marker so that it can give us a soft surface. All right. So you now take 9 centimeter, right, and add go on the fiber and the marker, right. Then you place them together. Now this is just to make your floor or where your footrest, now let me call it, you just make it soft so that you have this soft feeling on your foot. All right, so now if you have a shoe around you or maybe a half cover around you, just try to check the inside. You can see that the inside is always soft. It's just to give you a soft feeling right on your foot, which will also aid your mental feelings. Yeah. If you have a soft feeling on your foot, it also affects your mental stability. All right, so you can check it out. So you try to cut, then after cutting, you now add gum, just tagging, just one at the top, one at the bottom, then side by side. Correct. Then you now tag them together. Then you blend, tag them together, and use the filing machine to blend and see how I did it. If there's anything you don't understand, please don't hesitate to ask me. You blend carefully using your filing machine. This is me blending. Yeah. You now file you smooth. So what do you use in filing? Do you think this filing machine constructed is better than the industrial filing machine? Which do you prefer using? Tell me using the comment section. Okay. So after doing that, you have to detach them. Then look for the color of the material you want to use. Don't forget you're using light material. It has to be light material. There's a reason for that. If you want to know, just tell me why. Why the light material in the comment section? Why the light material in the comment section? It's very important. Okay. Then you are not going to wrap full. Watch how we're going to wrap this now. Just watch how we're going to wrap this step. So after rubbing it up, you place carefully and make sure the material to the surface of your marble is smooth. Now watch what I'm going to do. Yeah, you have to raise it up, make sure it's smooth, or yeah, there's no roughness, there's no folding at the under or at the surface, right? So that's why I'm trying to straighten it up carefully. And you now apply pressure using your mallet. Add the gum by the side. Ask questions. Now the top creation pattern, the pattern creation and top creation link will be on the video to show up. That will be the end screen of this video. So make sure you just click on it to watch the pattern creation for the half cover shoe that we are making. Now this is the sole creation, the sole and the insole, the floor creation. So click on the video that will appear at the top of this particular video at the end, right? So that it will now direct you to where we'll be drafting the pattern and creating the top, right? I hope you learned something from this. My name is ABC Shoes. I remain your friend and your teacher. I'm glad to teach you how to make shoes. You can reach out to me. Big shout out to my cameraman Josh Para. God bless you.